everyone, welcome back. This is Miguel.
And Michelle.
And we're going to review and talk about another creature and a time-lapse to go with it. And this time we're going to talk about the duende, from Filipino folklore. Dwarves, little elves, however you want to interpret them, who live in forests and trees, and they make little homes around like mounds. And in Filipino tradition, we say these words tabi-tabi po to mean respect before entering a duende's home. But anyway, so let's go ahead and check out the time lapse and talk about the duende. What are some stories that you've heard growing up about the duende?
Just about everything that you just said. It sounds adorable the way you describe the duende, like they're little people. But sometimes I heard that they could be very mischievous. They tend to kind of have a more like playfulness. And I see right here you kind of have that they're a little bit more cutesy. Got some little even tinier fairy creature hanging around with the duende. So can you talk about a little bit what you're doing here?
Yeah, so my interpretation of duende is a little bit more contemporary. Most interpretations tend to be like no different than little dwarves or little elves. In my case, it's much more elven-like, and instead of making them humanoid, I wanted to make them more cute, more like plushies. Often in a lot of Southeast Asian cultures, there are so many stories about alleged real sightings of these duende people, and for me, I just wanted to take a more fantastical approach, not to presume that I believe they exist or something, but just something just out of a pure fantasy. So here I did the whole homage to having one of the duende hold up a sign with Tabi Tabi Po written on it to just emphasize that this is a Filipino creature and not just any other, like specifically Filipino.
Yeah, it's really cool that you could tell that they are small in scale. They have such a roundness to them, the way you design it. I could see that you did two gendered duendes, one female, one male. Of course, all you have to do is put a little eyelash there for the female. Yeah, I think that's kind of cute. I'm not sure about the Tabi Tabi Po sign, but other than that, I thought this is a really cute interpretation, and just like you said, it's got a lot of more fantasy elements rather than, oh, I could see this as something from the Philippines, but that's okay too. I think you did a good job creating a whole new set of little tiny creatures in this other world that we live in.
I hope you enjoy that little cute time lapse of the duende. I'd say this is much more of the most fun ones that I've done. So let me know in the comments what you think.
And thanks for checking us out, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!